What is SEO? A beginner's guide to search engine optimization. Have you ever wondered how some websites appear at the top of Google while others are buried on page 10? The answer is SEO. Search engine optimization. In today's video, we will break down what SEO is, how it works, and how you can use it to boost your website visibility. Stay tuned. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of optimizing a website to rank higher on search engine results page. The goal is to increase organic, unpaid traffic to your site. Search engines like Google use algorithm to decide which websites appear first, and SEO helps you align your site with these ranking factors. How search engines work? Search engines work in three main steps: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Crawlers, bots scan websites and collect information. Then they store it in an index like a massive library. Finally, Google ranks pages based on relevance, user experience, and hundreds of other factors. Before we move to our segment 3, that is key SEO components, I would like to introduce you to myself.
Is your website struggling to get noticed? You're not alone. Many businesses face the challenge of low traffic and visibility. That's where Talha Siddiq SEO comes in. We specialize in turning your online presence around with our strategic, data-driven SEO solutions. Imagine your website climbing the search rankings, attracting more visitors, and converting those clicks into loyal customers. With over 1,000 successful collaborations, we have the expertise in on-page, off-page, technical, and local SEO to optimize your site for peak performance. Our clients have seen remarkable improvements. Whether it's fixing indexing issues or enhancing user experience, we deliver real results. Ready to elevate your business? Let's craft your SEO strategy today. Visit talhasiddiq.com or call for a free consultation. Your success story starts now.
Key SEO components. SEO has three major components: on-page SEO, optimizing your content, keywords, headings, and images; off-page SEO, building backlinks and social signals to improve credibility; technical SEO, improving site speed, mobile friendliness, security, and structure. Why SEO matters? Why should you care about SEO? Well, 68% of online experiences start with a search engine, and over 75% never scroll past the first page. SEO helps businesses attract more visitors, generate leads, and ultimately increase revenue. And that's a wrap on today's SEO crash course. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Let me know in the comments if you want a deep dive into SEO strategies. See you in the next video.